The Adventures of Matteo and CDog. Episode 4, My Culture, Mi Cultura. English combined with Spanish, written and narrated by Selena Brown, illustrated using ChatGPT. One sunny morning, Matteo woke up with a big smile on his face. "Buenos dias, CDog," he said, stretching his arms high above his head. CDog wagged his tail and gave Matteo a good morning kiss. "Today is a special day," said Matteo, grabbing his little green baseball cap. "I get to share my culture with you." CDog barked happily and followed Matteo into the kitchen. "Let's start with comida, food," said Matteo. Mama had made huevos con tortilla and a small bowl of frijoles. The kitchen smelled delicious. Matteo took a bite and smiled. "Yummy! I love Mexican food." CDog munched on his breakfast too. After breakfast, Matteo ran to his room to get dressed. He wore a guayabera, a light button-up shirt with beautiful embroidery. "These shirts are part of our style," said Matteo. "They're nice and cool on hot days." CDog tilted his head. Matteo giggled. "You wear a collar. I'm wearing my guayabera." Outside, neighbors were setting up for a special celebration, El Día de la Independencia. Matteo pointed to the flags. "Red, white, and green. Rojo, blanco, y verde, like the bandera de Mexico." CDog barked 3 times. "Whoa, whoa, whoa!" That means wow in CDog language. They danced to mariachi music, clapped to the rhythm, and waved their little flags. Mateo's cousin taught him a simple dance move called zapatero. "Stomp, stomp, uno, dos," laughed Matteo. As the sun began to set, Matteo and CDog sat together, eating a little pan dulce and sipping agua fresca de piña. "I love being Mexican-American," said Matteo. "I get to enjoy 2 cultures and speak 2 languages." He looked at CDog and whispered, "Te quiero mucho, CDog. I love you so much." CDog wagged his tail and gave Matteo another big kiss on the cheek. And just like that, their day ended with happy hearts and full bellies. The end. El fin.